This video does not replace the advice of a physician. Not all the options discussed may be appropriate for your individual medical situation. The determination of the need for medical services and the types of healthcare to be provided to a patient are decisions that should only be made by a physician or other licensed healthcare provider. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any question you have regarding a medical condition. Natural remedies for arthritis. Arthritis is a disease that can cause several symptoms, including degeneration of muscles and joints, reduced use of major joints and severe pain. Arthritis such as rheumatoid disease may also affect the immune system and can affect the entire body. With ongoing research on arthritis, your doctor knows the best treatment options for your specific situation. Fortunately, you can do many different things to reduce and relieve symptoms in addition to the modern medical treatment of arthritis. We will discuss 10 of the most widely used, all-natural strategies of treatment for your arthritis symptoms. Most of the following treatments can even be done in the comfort of your own home, and can be combined with current medical treatments you may be receiving. Nonetheless, it is important that you seek the advice and approval from your physician or healthcare provider prior to making any drastic changes to your diet, exercise, or supplement intake. Tip number 1. Hot and cold treatments. One of the main natural treatments for arthritis include hot and cold therapy. There are several different types of arthritis, so make sure to ask your doctor which temperature will be better for your specific symptoms. Cold therapy helps to reduce joint swelling and inflammation, so that it is most often recommended to rheumatoid arthritis sufferers. Cold treatments should be limited to 20-minute sessions. The following cold treatments can be helpful. Use a cloth-covered bag of ice applied to the painful area. Submerge the affected joint in an ice bath. It is important that you check with a physician before submerging, especially if it is a large area of the body. Simple cold packs or even frozen food in a bag or an ice-cold can applied when needed can also be of great help. Heat therapy is often good for all other types of arthritis, since the heat relaxes your muscles and helps blood flow to the affected area. Heat treatments should be monitored and adjusted depending on your body's reaction. Here are several heat treatments widely used by arthritis sufferers. Start your day with a hot bath or shower to get your blood flowing and joints relaxed. Apply a warm paraffin wax to affected joints and leave it there for some time. Be careful that the wax is not too hot. Apply a heating pad, heat pack, or other warm heat source to the affected joints. Always make sure, when using heat therapy, to maintain a comfortable level of heat. Hot tubs are also an excellent way to cover larger areas of the body, but always check with your physician first, as they can be dangerous for those with certain health conditions. You can alternate hot and cold treatments as needed, but always monitor how your skin reacts and adjust or discontinue as needed. Tip number 2. Regular exercise. Exercise is vital to keep joints and muscles elongated, warmed up, and moving. Make sure to always discuss your weight and exercise routine with your physician before following any workout plan. Also, keep in mind that exercise doesn't have to mean 7 days at the gym pumping iron and running on treadmills. Regular movement, whether it's walking around your home, going for a walk, or participating in aerobic classes at your gym, does wonders for arthritic pain. In the past, it was thought that exercise made arthritis pain worse, but in fact the opposite is happening. Daily workouts help to build and maintain a strong and healthy cardiovascular and muscular system, which support the joints. Try to work out at least 3 times per week for at least 30 minutes. If you are overweight, it is important that you set goals with your physician to reach your optimal healthy weight, and that you set yourself up for long-term success, rather than short-term results. Tip number 3. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is well known for centuries and is an ancient Chinese medicine. A medical professional is inserting thin needles into specific pressure points on your body. The focus of acupuncture is to reroute the energy stored behind your pain through so-called meridians, and balance the energy throughout the body. Acupuncture is actually one of the most researched alternative therapies in the world, and is even recommended by the World Health Organization for a multitude of ailments. Keep in mind that acupuncture cannot be safely administered by anyone except for a trained and certified acupuncturist. The needles not only need to be placed in very specific spots connected to your specific ailments, a rigorous hygienic process also has to be applied. Make sure to speak to your physician if you need support in finding the right practitioner for you. Tip number 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for a healthy and strong body. Omega-3 are good fats, ones you find mostly in plants and marine life. There are two main types of omega-3s that are most commonly found in oily fish and algae. EPA, which stands for eicosapentaenoic acid, is the most well-known of the omega-3s and has proven to be able to bring huge relief to arthritis patients. EPA not only helps to break down and synthesize the chemicals responsible for blood clotting, but it also helps dramatically with reducing inflammation. EPA fish or algae oil is available in a variety of ways, but it is easiest consumed through capsules sold at your local grocer or health food store. DHA is another important omega-3 and is a natural fatty acid abundant in the human body. It makes up the key parts of the retina in the eye and the cerebral cortex, a part of the brain. The cerebral cortex, also called gray matter, is responsible for intelligence, touch, personality, motor function, organization, sensory information processing, and language. These things are vital to your everyday existence and can play a huge role in pain management. You can find omega-3s in a variety of food, not just fish oil or algae. These foods include nuts, avocado, seeds, and other supplements. Tip number 5. Aquatic therapy. For years, it's been said that aquatic activity is one of the healthiest forms of exercise that a person can participate in. It is beneficial for everyone, but especially for those with arthritis. What makes aquatic activity so useful when managing pain associated with arthritis? Water provides natural resistance, which in turn intensifies the exercises you are performing. At the same time, water has something that regular exercise does not have: buoyancy. That tendency for your body to float in the water helps to support your body weight, thus reducing the pressure on your joints and bones. Less pressure means less inflammation, and less inflammation leads to less pain. But pain isn't the only thing where aquatic therapy helps. The natural intensity of your movements helps to reduce body fat, improves your coordination, your range of motion, and has a positive effect on serotonin levels in the brain. Again, a less stressed body leads to less stress on joints and bones. You can find ongoing relief with aquatic therapy by performing up to an hour of aquatic exercise 3 times a week. So, not only will you reduce or maintain your weight, but you will find a mood-stimulating and pain-reducing activity to help with your symptoms. Tip number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is nicknamed the golden spice, and not just for its rich golden color. Turmeric studies are ongoing, but the knowledge about its health benefits seems to be growing day by day. This spice is found in many different curries and is harvested in India and Indonesia. At the base of the healing properties of turmeric, it has been found to block the protein that causes inflammation. Because of these blocking abilities, turmeric has been found to ease the pain of inflammation just as well as some nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. And it's all natural, which makes it even better. The chemical in turmeric that reduces pain is called curcumin, and it is the secret to its anti-inflammatory abilities. Inflammation is a complex process, but the curcumin in turmeric is an inflammation-fighting bioactive substance that attacks the chronic inflammation on a molecular level. On top of helping with your arthritic pain, curcumin has been shown to fight inflammation that also plays a major role in heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and many other conditions. Turmeric can be taken in many ways, from pills to the actual root. On its own, turmeric has a very mild taste and can complement almost any meal. Try to include it in your meal plan as often as possible. Tip number 7. Massage therapy. If you've ever gotten a massage, you know that it can greatly increase your mood. This happens because massages boost the levels of serotonin in your body, a chemical that contributes to happiness and well-being. What you might not know is that massage therapy can also lower the body's production of cortisol, a stress-inducing hormone that also supports the production of a neurotransmitter which is called substance P. This neurotransmitter has a strong link to pain and can be influenced severely by reducing cortisol. Massages should be done by a licensed professional and are best performed by those with arthritis specialization. You can always let your therapist know of any sore areas to be avoided, and work with them to find the best pressure for your body. Tip number 8. Tai Chi. Tai Chi can easily be incorporated into your daily exercise routine. The perfect type of exercise for people with arthritis is an exercise that improves muscular strength, improves fitness and builds on flexibility. Tai Chi does all of these things through a low-impact exercise routine. Tai Chi classes can be found both privately through martial arts institutions and through public programs. Many senior facilities also offer Tai Chi classes several times a week, and even if you are bound to a wheelchair you can find benefits from modified movements. Tip number 9. Yoga. Yoga is a 5,000-year-old practice, originated in ancient India, and spread throughout the world. There are many different forms of yoga that include poses, breathing techniques, and meditation. It has the ability to boost both the mental and physical health of its practitioners. Yoga is a very gentle exercise, a way to reduce the tension in joints and muscles, build muscle tone, and increase flexibility. That muscle strength can also help to improve balance, especially important to those with arthritis. Yoga is low impact and enjoyable in nature, making it easy to practice on a regular basis. If you are new to yoga, it is best to seek instruction. As with all exercise routines, make sure to check with your physician before starting any training. Tip number 10. Meditation. Meditation is a practice you can do anytime, anywhere. One of the most important parts of meditation is practicing mindfulness. When you practice mindfulness meditation, you are focusing all of your attention on the feelings and sensations that your body is experiencing in that present moment. There is a program available to you that focuses solely on this form of meditation. It is called Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction, or MBSR. MBSR is used to help you manage both pain and stress. It is amazing what the mind can do, and this type of program can be easily incorporated into your daily routine without putting aside a lot of extra time or effort. It can be concluded that arthritis is something that takes a toll on not just the body, but the mind as well. It can have a big impact on your well-being and your life. Luckily, as you've seen in this video, there is a multitude of all-natural routines and strategies that you can incorporate into your daily life to help reduce your pain and improve the quality of your life. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you for watching.